I'm Dave Asprey here on Bourbon Street in New Orleans. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about alcohol and ketosis. So here's the deal. When you drink alcohol, your body's going to burn that before it burns anything else, including carbs like glucose or fat in the form of ketones. What that means is that your ketone levels may go up when you drink, but that's not necessarily a good thing. It means you're burning something else. Alcohol will slow down fat burning. That's just what it does. Also in ketosis, you tend to get drunk more quickly. And that's not always a good thing, but it might be a good thing depending on what you want to do. There's something else though. If you're going to drink alcohol in ketosis, well, you might want to choose something that's not going to take you out of ketosis. For some people, any alcohol is going to take you out. You just need to not drink. If you can tolerate alcohol and it doesn't take you out of ketosis, you're going to need to measure that. And then you want to understand, okay, what's the best alcohol? It turns out that beer's the worst. Most wine is not going to be good. And this is because they have carbs in them, but they also have toxins because they haven't been distilled or filtered or any of the things that happen with the clear alcohols. So if you're going to drink in ketosis, pick vodka, tequila, and things that are purely distilled with no artificial colors, no sweeteners, no anything like that. If it tastes sweet, steer clear of it. But the best thing you could do if you want to keep your inflammation down is just don't drink in ketosis and you'll perform better and feel better. Something else happens when you drink. Alcohol goes into your liver and it uses up all the glutathione, which is a primary detoxing antioxidant in the liver and in the brain throughout all of your cells, your mitochondria. So when it uses that up, it means you're more likely to get inflammation. So you get muffin top, you also get that muffin top in the brain we call a hangover. So what do you do about that? You can take vitamin C and you can even take glutathione when you drink, and that's going to help your liver have more of the compound called glutathione in it so that you can resist the alcohol more quickly, and you're likely to feel better after you drink if you do that. So there's the answer. In ketosis, best option, don't drink. Second option, if you tolerate it, is drink clear alcohol that's distilled and filtered. We're in New Orleans on Bourbon Street, and that's everything you need to know about alcohol and ketosis.